Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing some things, and I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to upload it so I can have something because I have not had time to edit at all whatsoever. So yeah, we should just get started. So to start off, I have the Ipsy for January. I got the Luxie 5/16 medium fan brush. Looks like that. And then inside, let's see, what do we have? We have the Perlice Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. It is supposed to cleanse the skin, remove makeup, tone and soothe, soap and sulfate free for all skin types. So that is what that looks like. And then, what is this? This is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in C1.5. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Let's see, is this a good color? Alright, so this is super light, even for me, but that's okay. That's good. We will test that out at some point. And then we have, this is the Lash Next Door mascara from Brooklyn and Bailey in Blackout. Let's see. It's got an okay wand on it. Prefer something a little bit fluffier, but it's okay. Then the last one we have here is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So we just have a little sample of that. And that is everything we got this month's Ipsy. I don't know, it's okay. I just don't know how I'm feeling about that recently. And then next we have another influencer box. And I have opened this and I've sort of been using them because I've had this for a week, 2 weeks. I'm not sure. Something like that. But anyway, the first thing I have here are some Tic Tacs. These are the X-Freeze. We have Strong Mint and Wintergreen. They are very strong, definitely very strong. Like, they're on the verge of being too flavorful, in my opinion, but I don't like super strong mints. But my husband loves these, so he will probably be eating more of these. You can't really tell, but he's had quite a few of them. So, yeah, they're pretty good. They definitely have a cooling effect, and they are very minty. So, there is that. And then the second thing I have here is Type A deodorant. This is the Achiever Ocean Mint. I don't know, but it has sweat activated technology, and it is aluminum free. Sort of, you can kind of see it. But this, I don't know, it just, to me it seems really strange. I don't know, I've never really used anything like this. Now this, like, if you sit there and think like men's deodorant, that's kind of what it smells like. But I mean, I'm not opposed to it. It's kind of minty and fresh. So there's that, and then you just like squeeze it and the deodorant comes out of there. I have been using this. It works really well, actually. Like, the twisty part here where the lid goes gets a little bit dirty, so you kind of have to wipe that off. But other than that, I have been really enjoying this. I've used it 3 days so far. And I haven't had any issues with it. I don't think I smell So that's a plus on that. And then this here is the Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide Collagen Protecting and Brightening Moisturizer. Now, this, it works well. It really does. And I don't think it's that expensive. I don't know exactly. But, this, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Yeah, you can. Like, there's a ring around it, and then you can kind of see, like, in there, like, there's a smaller container within this container. So, I don't know why it needs to be this big. Like, just make it the size of the product. But, it does have this little safety, not safety, it's got a little seal thingy. I've been using this in the morning. It does work really well. You need the littlest amount of this, and that is it. Like, it's kind of a puffy texture. It's a thick moisturizer, and like that is all you need, like for my face. If you use way too much, it can start to kind of pill up, but I mean, it feels nice on the skin. It absorbs really quickly. And I mean, I do think this will last quite a while because you need such a little amount. So that's nice. But I've been enjoying it. It's got like an orange creamsicle scent. I don't think it's very strong, and then it fades away really quickly once it's on your skin. But like that has already like absorbed. So I've been really liking that. And then the final product I have in this is this Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Whipped Shea Butter. This has 7 nourishing moisturizers in it. Now, this I have not actually opened. Let's see if we can peel this off. There we go. So, it definitely smells like shea butter. But that is what it looks like. Let's take my rings off. And it's very thick. Maybe if I turn the light down, you can see it is very thick and whipped, but that's nice for winter. Definitely smells like shea butter. So I'm just gonna take some of this. Okay, so I don't know what's going on with my camera. It keeps malfunctioning. But it feels really nice on my skin. It has soaked in really well. It smells really good. I like the smell of shea butter. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a chance. Use it all over when I get out of the shower. But that is all the products I got in this campaign. This is one of the Just For Yous. This one was the Glowing 20s. Yeah, the Glowing 20s Vox Box. Of course, it's just not gonna work. But yes, so that is that. So again, this is for Influenster. It is an app. Otherwise, I believe you can do it on the computer as well. It's just a website. I've never been on the website. I just use the app. But all you do is review different products, and then you can post pictures on them. You give it a 5-star, 1 to 5 star rating, and you can like other people's. You can comment on them, on their reviews. You can look up just about anything on this site. And then one of the options is to set up your account to receive Vox boxes is what they call these. And generally, they are full-size products. They have different types of campaigns. They have ones like these where it's just kind of an ensemble of products. And then they've got other ones where it's just a specific brand. Like the first one I received and the second one I received. And then once you get the products, all you do is test the product, obviously, and you'll have different things you need to do for different campaigns. Sometimes they'll want you to like their page on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, and then obviously you'll have to review that product and put on there that you did receive it free from Influenster. Otherwise, you won't be able to get more products. But I mean, I don't know why you would need to lie about that. I mean, I don't know. To me, it doesn't make much sense. I'm like, hey, I got it for free. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But, I think that's about it. But yeah, different, obviously each one of these items is going to have its own review. But you can look up literally anything. You can look up dog toys, cameras, clothing, food, makeup, hair supplies, hair stuff, shampoos, conditioners, whatever it may be. Just check it out, fill out your profile. When you fill it out, you'll have to put in your email, and then what they'll do is send out an email to your, they'll send an email to your email with the information, and then you can opt in, or you can just ignore it. You can opt out. They've recently changed it, so instead of just being for like this one product, do you want it? They'll put a whole list of like 10 different things, and then you can let them know what would work for you, what's something that you would like to try out. I know recently they've done some with like hair dyes and like shampoos. Obviously there's this one, the glowing 20s. But they've got all different stuff going on constantly. And then you're given about a month, 2 months to test the products out and, you know, make sure you get all your information in there. Obviously, when you fill out the, if you opt in to receive a box or a product, that is when you put in your address, so that way they can send it to you, but they don't keep it on your profile or anything. So, I don't know. There's that. You can check it out. I will try to remember to leave a link down below if you would like to check it out for yourself. You can add me if you would like. My name is Jessica Audis 15. Don't ask me how you add people. I'm not sure how to do that yet. But I will leave a link and it'll just take you straight to it. But that's about it. You can choose, you can choose whether you want people to be able to see your age and your location, as in like Council Bluffs, or you know, what state you want to live in, and then what city you want to live in. You can choose if you would like that to be public or not public information. So I think that's about it. I want to thank everybody for watching. I have lots of stuff. Just trying to find the time to actually do it is the hard part. So, if you like this video, give it a like. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave them down below. I will leave some videos on the screen if there is something else you would like to see that I already have up. And that's about it. Have a great day.